In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip TradingView Chart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invert your chart's price scale so the market appears upside down, which can be surprisingly helpful for spotting patterns, comparing long and short setups, or viewing price action from a fresh perspective. First, move your cursor to the price scale. This is the vertical axis on the right side of your chart that shows the actual price levels. Make sure you're hovering over that axis itself. If you click the main chart area or an indicator panel instead, you'll see a different menu and the option you need won't appear. On a mouse, you'll right-click. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click or your device's right-click gesture. When the context menu opens, look for the option labeled Invert Scale and click it. That's all there is to it. The chart will immediately flip vertically. Time still flows left to right exactly as before, but the price progression is reversed. High prices will now sit toward the bottom of the screen and low prices toward the top. Think of it as turning the chart upside down without changing any of the underlying data. A few things to notice after you invert the scale. Your candles, bars, or lines don't change their timestamps, only their vertical orientation. Drawing tools and indicators remain anchored to their original prices, so trend lines, moving averages, and support or resistance zones stay aligned. Your view just flips, which can make inverse relationships and head and shoulders lookalikes pop out more clearly. If you track trends, this perspective can help you evaluate whether a potential short setup mirrors the strength you usually look for on the long side. If you don't see Invert Scale in the menu, double-check that you right-clicked directly on the price scale on the right. Some layouts can show additional scales for indicators. You want the one tied to the main price. Also, if your platform is in a mode that captures right-clicks differently, try a standard right-click on the axis again with the cursor carefully placed. To return to a normal view, open that same context menu on the price scale and use Invert Scale again. It acts as a toggle, so you can switch back and forth whenever you like. That's it. Hover over the right side price scale, right-click, choose Invert Scale, and your TradingView chart flips instantly. Use this trick anytime you want a clean, inverted look at market structure without changing your symbols, timeframes, or drawings.